Stars come out of lake bowl like quiet water, sky so black. Beautiful views of the Milky Way, Loki curled up, snoring away. Silence wraps around the shore, moments like this you can't ignore. Shutter clicks in the cool night air, peace and magic everywhere. Sunset melts in amber light, painting gold into the night. Reflections glow, the world stands still, that kind of calm you always feel. Then dawn breaks soft in pastel skies, light unfolding slow and wise. Trap hut steady, breath held tight, chasing that perfect morning light. Engine starts a brand new day, rolling gently on our way. No rush, no noise, just open sky. Let the road and soul align. We're rolling free in serenity. Kazz and Loki, chasing dreams. Every mile a story told in sunrise pink and sunset gold. Rolling solos, hearts in sync, finding more than what we think. Every road leads to the sea. This is life in serenity. Coastal winds begin to rise, ocean blue meets open skies. Welcome sign in salty air, we found our place in Port Fairy there. Rolling solos gather round, smiles and laughter all around. Meet and greet, connections grow, kindred spirits on the flow. Waves are calling soft and low, hearts unwind, just let it go. This is where we're meant to be, right here by the endless sea. We're rolling free in serenity. Kazz and Loki, chasing dreams. Every mile a story told in sunrise pink and sunset gold. Rolling solo side by side, living with the ocean tide. Every road leads to the sea. This is life in serenity. Sunset skies, then sunrise glow. Twice a day the colors show. Camera chasing every hue, every frame a different view. Morning coffee, ocean breeze, lunch that lingers with such ease. Evenings in a cozy place, pub lights warm, familiar space. Stories shared and laughter flows, the kind of night that gently glows. Simple moments deeply felt, the kind of peace you've truly dealt. D-box rolling, carving free, cruising past beside the sea. Wind and wheels in harmony, just pure simple energy. Markets buzzing, colors bright, local treasures, pure delight. Low-key leading, tail held high, taking in the passing by. Then the ocean calls our name, swimming wild, no need for rain. Surf rolls in, we dive right through, salt and freedom, sky so blue. On the way, one final pause, nature's quiet, unwritten laws. At Tower Hill Wildlife Reserve we roam, among the wild, their ancient home. Koalas resting in the trees, echidnas wandering with ease. A gentle land before goodbye, one last breath of open sky. Serenity, Kazz and Loki, wild and free. From lake to coast to forest air, we found a piece of something rare. Rolling solos, hearts aligned, leaving all the noise behind. Every mile a memory, this is life in serenity. us won't come down. In every shot and every mile, we carry this in every smile.